A condition of artwork report is a document itemizing the result of the physical examination of a work of art by a professional in the field, usually someone whose main occupation is the conservation, preservation, and restoration of works of art, similar in medium, style, and of the same period to the work being scrutinized. The stronger the credentials of the professional, the more weight is given to the condition of artwork report. A condition of artwork report notes the appearance, location, and description of any damages or unusual characteristics on the artwork. Would you like to learn more? At Seed Gallery, we highlight the critical systems that support art collection and conservation. The Art History and Economics Glossary provides a deeper understanding of the terminology and practices that sustain the art world. Learn more at seedgallerynewyork.com.